Good morning, students. In previous video, I continued the chapter The Bond of Love, in which I have told you that the narrator, means the writer of this lesson, got a small baby deer from sugarcane field near Mysore. Students, I have also told you that while he held it, the baby bear tried to scratch him and with its long hooked claws, and he was crying. Further, what happened, students? Today I will teach you. Now all of you open your book and see at page number 114 and paragraph number 5. Open all up. See paragraph number 5. We put in one of the gunny bags we had brought, and when I got back to Bangalore, I duly presented it to my wife. Students, you have studied when the narrator had caught that baby bear. The baby bear was crying and it was trying to scratch the narrator with its long hooked claws. Then what happened? Then they means narrator and his companions, they put that baby bear in a gunny bag. Gunny bag? Jute bag. Gunny bag is jute bag. They had taken a jute bag in which they had put that baby bear. We had brought, and when I got back to Bangalore, I duly presented it to my wife. And narrator brought that gunny bag and he presented that baby bear to his wife. She was delighted. Delighted means happy. Delighted means happy. The narrator's wife was very happy to get that baby bear. She was delighted. She at once put a colored ribbon around its neck. The wife of around the neck of that baby bear. And after discovering the cub was a boy, she christened it Bruno. Christened, named it. Christened means named it. When narrator's wife found that it was a male cub, she named it Bruno. See paragraph number 6. Bruno soon took to drinking milk from a bottle. Now, Bruno was drinking milk from a bottle. It was but a step further, and within a very few days he started eating and drinking everything else. And after some days, he was expert. He became expert in drinking and eating food. And everything is the right word. For he ate porridge made from any ingredients, vegetables, fruit, nuts, meat, especially pork. Pork means less of pig. Curry and rice regardless of condiments. Condiments, spices. Condiments, spices. Spices. All these things Bruno was eating. And chilies, bread, eggs, chocolate, sweets, puddings, ice cream, etc., etc., etc. All these things Bruno started eating. Second, what things he was eating? He was eating porridge made from any ingredients, vegetable, fruit, nuts, meat, especially pork, curry and rice, and regardless of condiments, and chilies, spices also he was eating. Chilies, bread, eggs, chocolate, sweets, pudding, ice cream, etc. These materials, they food materials he was eating. As for drink, and what he was drinking? Milk, tea, coffee, lime juice, aerated water, air dissolved water. He was drinking air dissolved water, buttermilk, beer, alcoholic liquor, and in fact anything liquid. These liquids, these type of liquid he was drinking, like buttermilk, beer, alcoholic liquor, coffee, tea, lime juice, etc. It all went down with relish. Relish means great enjoyment. Relish means great enjoyment. Students, now we are studying about the food and drink of Bruno. He had learned how to eat and drink, and a lot of materials, food materials he was eating, and many type of liquid he was drinking. Now further, paragraph number 7. The beer became very attached to our two Alsatian dogs and to all the children of tenants living in our bungalow. Tenants, the person who lives on rent is known as tenants. In narrator's house, many tenants were there. They were living on rent, and Bruno was playing with the children of those tenants, and he was happy. The beer became very attached to our two Alsatian dogs, and narrator had two Alsatian dogs, and it had been familiar with them. And Bruno had been familiar with those dogs. The beer became very attached to our two Alsatian dogs and to all the children of the tenants living in our bungalow. He was left quite free in his younger days and spent his time in playing, running into the kitchen and going to sleep in our bed. Even Bruno was going into the kitchen of the writer. He was playing very wanted, and at night when narrator was going to sleep, Bruno was also going and sleeping in his bed. Students, everything was okay up to this part. Bruno was eating and drinking different things, and he was happy. He had been familiar with the children of tenants, and he became familiar with those Alsatians, and he was going to the kitchen of the narrator, and he was sleeping in the bed of narrator. But one day an accident had happened. What misfortune had happened? One day an accident befell him. Befell means happened to. One day an accident had happened to him. Had happened to Bruno. I put down poison, barium carbonate, to kill the rats and mice that had got into my library. One day, the narrator, means the writer, had kept barium carbonate, that is poisonous thing, to kill the rats and mice that were a lot in the library. But anyhow, Bruno reached there. As Bruno entered the library, as he often did, Bruno often went to the library, and that day when he found something was kept, Bruno had eaten. Bruno entered the library as he often did, and he ate some of the poison. Bruno had eaten some amount of that poison. Paralysis set into the extent that he could not stand on his feet. Now the result was that when Bruno ate barium carbonate, its effect was that he could not stand on his own, and he was suffering from paralysis. Paralysis set into the extent that he could not stand on his feet, but he dragged himself. He was dragging, not moving properly, on his stumps. Stumps means legs. Stumps means legs. To my wife who called me. When Bruno could not stand, Bruno could not walk properly, he was dragging his legs, and anyhow he reached the wife of narrator. Then she called the narrator. I guessed what had happened. Narrator at once guessed what had happened. Narrator had known that surely Bruno had taken that poison, barium carbonate. Off I rushed. I guessed what had happened. Off I rushed in car to the vets. Vets means veterinarian. Vets means veterinarian. Vet means veterinarian. Animal doctor. Veterinary doctor. Veterinarian. At once, the narrator understood that dog has taken some amount of that barium carbonate, and by car he took Bruno to a veterinarian's residence. A case of poisoning 10 beer, barium carbonate, what to do? And the doctor, the animal doctor, that veterinary doctor understood what had happened when he knew that it was a poisoning case, and it was a 10 beer, and it had taken barium carbonate. He was thinking what to do. Students, in this way we have studied how Bruno was got by the narrator from a sugarcane field near Mysore, and how the narrator had brought it to his house and he presented it to his wife, and his wife was very happy to make that baby bear. Slowly and slowly that baby bear started drinking milk from a bottle, and later on he became expert in eating different kinds of food materials, and he was drinking different types of liquids, and he became familiar with the Alsatian dog as well as children of tenants, and he was reaching the kitchen and sleeping in the bed of narrator. But one day, as the narrator had kept barium carbonate in the library to kill the rats and mice, misfortunately Bruno had taken some amount of that barium carbonate, and he was suffering from paralysis, and the narrator took Bruno into his car to the veterinary doctor. Further what happened I will teach you next day. Thank you.